So many questions to answer. So little time. Are you ready, narrator?
No!
LPS Kitten Kisses asked, Train, why is your name Train? I don't know, why is your face a frickin' face? Cute404 asked, Train, do you have a diary? No? My friend Bridget asks, Tetra, do you like Dawsons? Well, here's what you can tell Miss Bridget. Savannah is the only exception. I need to get new hairbands. LPS Forever Twins asked, who is your favorite Pokemon character? Isn't it obvious?
Make Ed do a dance!
Oh yeah, because I haven't tried that one before. Besides, this isn't even his show. Valerie Torres asked, Train, what is your favorite movie? Why not you ask Toby?
Hi!
Frickin' person who wants to annoy me asked, are you two angels of death?
What? I'm a cat!
Greenleaf Furry asked, Toby, why is your blush purple?
My blush is not purple!
LPS Forever Twins asked, hey, do you guys play with Lil's Pet Shop?
Self-destruct!
Chrysalis. Chelsea Pope asked, okay, Tetra, do you like or love Train as a boyfriend? I thought I already told you that I love Train. Did I not make it clear? Or do you just not believe me? Oh, for shame. This isn't a laughing matter we're talking about. This is love. Does Tetra love Train? Please stop. You're making me uncomfortable. Are you guys getting married one day?
Married?
I took the pony test and I'm closest to Fluttershy. Sorry, Train. That actually makes a lot of sense, since I'm nothing like Fluttershy. She's just my favorite. No, I took the quiz a few times myself, and I ended up with Twilight Sparkle and Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash because, well, you know me. And Twilight because, believe it or not, I'm actually very experienced with spells. LPS Kitten Kisses asked, Toby, who is your favorite pony? What a weird question. Well, anyway, if I was a brony, which I'm not, I guess my favorite pony would have to be Pinkie Pie, because she's so fun and bubbly, kind of like me, you know? Toby, will you go out with me? Well, wait. What?